Hello class, this is lesson 2-4 about discounts. And when we're talking about a discount or a markdown instead of a markup, we're talking about the amount by which the regular price of an item is reduced, okay? So you see discounts all the time when you go into different stores or sometimes restaurants if you have a coupon. And so to find the sale price, you're going to subtract two different parts, the original price, and then you're going to subtract the discount from that. To find the discount, you're simply going to multiply that original price times the discount percentage. Again, we would write that as either a decimal or a fraction. But this is the formula we're going to be using for part of today. So in this first example, it says Sports Basement is having a sale. A volleyball has an original price of $59 and is now on sale at 65% off the original price. What is the sale price? So we're going to take that original and we're going to subtract a percentage of the original. So all I need to do is multiply 59 times 0.65, which gives me 38.35. And when I subtract those values, I find that the sale price is $20.65. That's all you got to do. All right, so let's go ahead and do another one. This one says a magazine subscription has a cover price of $35. You received an offer for 67% off the cover price. What is the sale price? So again, I'm going to subtract 35 minus 35 times that percentage of 0.67. And when I multiply those, I get 23.45. And when I subtract those values, I find that the cover price would only cost me $11.55. There you go. This example says, during a clearance sale at the mall, certain tablets were marked down 20%. One day, an additional 30% was taken off already reduced prices. If a tablet was originally $375, what was the final price after both discounts were applied? So if I'm going to start with just taking off 20%, that means I'm really just going to pay 80% of the price. So why don't we find 80% of 375? When I multiply those, I find that I would only have to pay $300. And then when I'm going to take another 30% off of that, that's telling me that I'm really going to just be paying 70% of the $300. So here I can take that $300 and multiply it by 0.70, and this is going to give me the final price, which it would be $210. So this is a completely new method, and if this works for you, go ahead and use it. So let's do another one. It says that you received a coupon for 25% off a new phone, and you ended up paying $172.50. We want to go back now and figure out what was the original price of the phone. So this is telling me that that price is actually 75% of the original price because I took 25% off already. So I can go ahead and set this up as a proportion, comparing the sale price to the original price, where that sale price is 75% out of 100%. I'm going to plug in the values that I know. The sale price is $172.50, but I don't know the original, so that is my variable. And like we've learned, I can cross multiply to solve this proportion. I get 17,250 is equal to 75x. Final step, I divide both sides by 75, and I find that x is going to be equal to, $230. So that was the original price of the phone just by working backwards. Here's another one that's similar. A couch is on sale for 30% off the original price. If the sale price is $239.89, what was the original price? So again, the sale price is showing me that that is 70% of the original price. So like we just did, let's set up a proportion comparing the sale price to the original price, which would be 70% out of 100. So I'm going to replace that with the 239 and 89 cents over X. And then I'm going to cross multiply to solve this proportion. So that leaves me with 23,989 is equal to 70x. I can divide both sides by 70. And this time I find that my X, or my original price, was $342.70. So I hope that that made sense to you. We're going to work on one more problem now, and then we'll be done. It says you want to buy a new laptop. The price at Target is $1,300 with an additional 20% discount. So I'm going to highlight some of those important parts. The price at Walmart is just $1,089, but there's no discount. Also, we're told that the sales tax is 7.25%. I want to find two things: which store is cheaper and by how much. So I'm going to start with Target. Target, we know, is starting at $1,300, but we want to take off 20%. Okay, so I'm going to find that discount, which means I just want to find 80% of that price. So I'm going to multiply by 0.80, and that's going to give me a price of $1,040. So that would be its sales price before the tax. Whereas Walmart, we're already given, its price tag is going to be $1,089. So I can already answer half of my question. Which store is cheaper? Obviously, Target is going to be cheaper, even before taxes. I know it's going to be cheaper. But now we need to find what the price is after the taxes to find out how much it is cheaper than Walmart. So I'm going to multiply the sale price times the tax percentage, and that's going to give me, $75.40. So when I add the sale price plus the taxes, Target would charge me for a total of $1,115.40. Now let's do the same for Walmart. Let's go ahead and multiply the price of the laptop at Walmart by the tax rate. So I'm going to multiply $1,089 times the 0.0725. And that's going to give me about $78.95. So let's go ahead and add the price of Walmart plus the tax that Walmart would charge. And that would give me a grand total for, $1,167.95. So now to find the difference, to find out how much Target is cheaper, we're going to subtract those two values. And so I'm going to go ahead and just write those down right here. And I find that their difference is $52.55. So you're going to save a little bit of money. And this is what I do all the time. I always look for sales and which place is going to give me the best discount overall. So I hope that this made sense to you guys. I have two final problems for you to try on your own. And I hope that you will be able to do them and then come into class with any questions that you have. See you then.